everyone, I am Mrs. Josephine Vaila Sharmi from St. James Academy, and today's presentation is noise pollution. Noise is an unwanted sound, a sound which has unpleasant effects and discomfort to ears is called noise. Generally, sound generated by vehicles, horns, loudspeakers, planes, construction, etc. are reasons for noise pollution. It is measured in decibel. Normally, noise which is less than 115 decibel is tolerable for shorter period. Noise pollution is also considered as environmental pollution, although it is not as harmful as air, water or soil pollution. Effects of noise pollution for a longer period can be severe. It is when the level of noise increases more than the normal level. When the amount of noise exceeds, it's become dangerous for living beings. Moreover, these unpleasant sounds cause several disturbances and create an imbalance in the environment. In other words, high volume noises are abnormal. How to reduce noise pollution? We can reduce noise pollution by turning off appliances when not in use, use of earplugs, lowering the volume, planting more trees, regular maintenance of vehicles and machines, etc. Shut the door when using noisy machines. Stay away from noisy area. Follow the limits of noise level. Control noise level near sensitive areas. Create healthy noise to eliminate unwanted noise. Use noise absorbance in noisy machines. Use proper lubrication and better maintenance. What are the effects of noise pollution? Constant exposure to loud noises can damage eardrums and loss of hearing. It also reduces the sensitivity of eardrums to pick up small sounds. It may affect people's ability to focus, which can lead to low performance over time. It is also bad for memory, making it hard to study. It also can affect health and shows signs of aggressive behavior, sleep disturbance, increases in stress level, fatigue. My dear friends, by controlling noise, we can control negative health effects that noise pollution has on everyone. International bodies like the WHO agrees that awareness of noise pollution is essential to beat this invisible enemy. For example, avoid very noisy leisure activities. Opt for alternative means of transport such as bicycles or electrical vehicles overtaking the car. Do your housework at recommended times. Insulate homes with noisy absorbing materials, etc. Educating the younger generation is also an essential aspect of environmental education. I hope this video is useful for you. We will meet you again in our next video. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.